Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Cozy Sea House. If you're starting to learn English, this video is for you. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about the weather in English. Don't worry, we'll go step by step. Just listen and repeat. Let's start. First, let's learn some basic weather words. Please repeat after me.
Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, cold, hot, snowy, stormy. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, cold, hot, snowy, stormy.
Great! These are very common words in English.
Now let's use these words in real sentences. Repeat after me. It's rainy. It's windy. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's cold. It's hot. It's stormy. It's snowy. Very good. These sentences are very easy and very useful.
Now, how do we ask about the weather? Listen first. How's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it cold today? Now repeat after me. How's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it cold today? Good job!
Let's answer these questions. It's sunny. It's very cloudy. It's cold and windy. In English, we use and to connect ideas. Repeat with me. Cold and windy.
Now listen to a short conversation.
Hi, how's the weather today? It's sunny but cold. Now let's say it slowly. Repeat after me. Hi, how's the weather today? It's sunny but cold. Now it's your turn. Answer the question. How's the weather today? You can say, it's sunny. It's cold. It's rainy. Excellent!
This hotel is very cozy.
Yes, it is, but outside it's very cold and windy. We are in Patagonia in winter. Yes, winter here is very cold.
What clothes do you wear in winter?
I wear a coat, a jacket, and boots.
And in other seasons?
In summer, Patagonia is cool, not very hot.
So I wear a t-shirt and a light jacket. What about spring?
Spring is cool and windy.
Right.
So I wear jeans and a light jacket. And in autumn? Autumn is cold and windy. I wear a sweater, a jacket, and jeans. The weather in Patagonia changes a lot. Yes, you always need a jacket.
It's freezing out here.
Yes, and the wind is so strong.
Let's go inside, quickly.
Wow! It's very windy today.
Yes, and very cold.
Let's go outside.
Today is not a good day.
Why not?
Because it's very windy.
So what clothes do we need today?
We need a warm jacket.
And a scarf?
I wear boots today.
Boots are good for cold weather.
In winter, Patagonia is very cold and windy.
Yes, but in summer, it's better for excursions.
The weather in Patagonia changes every day.
Yes, you always need a jacket.
And good shoes. I imagine skiing in the mountains today. This is my perfect day. Great snow, great weather, and the sun is shining.
I love spring in Patagonia. I imagine walking by the lake and flowers.
In spring, it's cool and windy.
In spring, I wear jeans and a light jacket.
I imagine autumn in Patagonia. I imagine reading a book by the fireplace.
Autumn is cool and quiet.
In autumn, I wear a sweater and a jacket.
I imagine summer in Patagonia.
I imagine swimming in the lake.
In summer, it's cool, not very hot.
In summer, I wear a t-shirt, shorts, and sandals.
But today, the weather is cold and windy.
So today, we wear warm clothes.
And today we stay inside.
You wish.
So we are alone. Let's review what we covered.
Season, spring. Estación, primavera.
Weather. It's cool. It's sunny.
Clima, está fresco, está soleado. Decision, let's go out. The weather is nice. Decisión, salgamos. El clima está lindo.
Spring clothes. Light jacket. Jeans.
Sneakers, ropa de primavera. Campera liviana. Jeans, zapatillas. Action, they are walking outside. It's a nice day.
Acción. Están caminando afuera. Es un lindo día.
Season, summer. Estación, verano. Weather, it's hot. It's sunny. Clima, hace calor. Está soleado. Decision, let's go to the beach. It's very hot. Decisión, vayamos a la playa. Hace mucho calor. Summer clothes, t-shirt, shorts, sandals, ropa de verano, remera, shorts, sandalias. Action, they are at the beach. It's very hot. Acción, están en la playa. Hace mucho calor.
Season, autumn. Estación, otoño. Weather, it's cool. It's windy. Clima, está fresco. Hay viento.
Decision. Let's go for a walk. It's not very cold. Decisión. Salgamos a caminar. No hace mucho frío.
Autumn clothes. Jacket. Sweater. Jeans. Ropa de otoño. Campera. Suéter. Jeans. Action. They are walking in the park. Leaves are falling. Acción. Están caminando en el parque. Las hojas están cayendo.
Season, winter. Estación, invierno. Weather, it's very cold. It's snowing. Clima, hace mucho frío. Está nevando.
Decision, we're not going out. It's too cold. Decisión, no vamos a salir. Hace demasiado frío.
Winter clothes, coat, scarf, gloves, boots. Ropa de invierno, abrigo, bufanda, guantes, botas. Action, they are walking in the snow. It's freezing. Acción, están caminando en la nieve. Hace un frío helado.
Wow, it's really windy.
Yeah, and it's freezing.
I can't feel my face. My hands are frozen. This was a bad idea.
Very bad.
Why is the wind so strong? I think my eyelashes are frozen. It's too cold and windy, and the snow is getting worse. This is dangerous. Let's go back to the hotel.
So,
Yeah.
We had an amazing time.
Totally worth it. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more English with us.
They said it was amazing. Yeah, you wish.
They were freezing.
Totally.
Like this video. Bye.